Hey, what's up? In this video, we are learning how we can host a website within a virtual machine in Azure. So for that, we have to create one virtual machine. So just create it and virtual machine, and then I don't have any resource group. So my VM underscore RG will create resource group, and then we give the name of our virtual machine that I'm giving is test VM, and I doing a zone 2 because in central India it's giving me the error for zone 1 for this size. So and instead of choosing SSH we use password, and we give the username that is Rudraksh, and give password that is RUDRA at the rate 123456. RUDRA at the rate 123456, and we allow HTTP also and create it. Yeah, then go to the resource and then click connect and connect, and then copy this and open your CMD and paste here, and then type yes and give your password. And after that you can see that we are in a virtual machine. Then to install the Apache, you have to run some command. That is, first you have to do upgrade the virtual machine, and then there is a command that's yeah, it's installed. And after that just copy the public IP and paste in your browser. And here you can see the here it's a default page of Apache is open. Now go to the terminal and do cd/val, then it's www and html. And here you can see there is a one index.html file, that is this file Ubuntu. Let's to get index.html, and here you can see there is a file that run by Apache from here and showing the browser. So first remove that. We run with a sudo rm minus r and index.html, and here you can see we don't have any file, and here we refresh again, so it say I don't have any file. So I've run a one file that is in my repo. You can say it is in the description of the video, so you can use your also. So go to the virtual machine and do sudo git clone and the github URL and last add dot in last and see. And if to refresh, and here you can see that we are in our VM and it is hosted within the VM. So yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching.